showing homes of Emberly in Beasley, Texas. Don't miss this rare opportunity where you get both lower interest rate and lower priced home. Just look at this huge kitchen. I bet this is what you've been dreaming of. Let's take a tour of the whole house now.
Friends, we are at Lennar Homes in Emberly, and I'm talking to the builder here. I will tell you last, and he's going to walk us through the plan, which is called Nightly, and we will hear from him. So this is the entrance where you enter. On your left, 2 bedrooms are there, okay, and there is a kind of a mud area here. Okay, so this is the 1 bedroom. Nice closet. You can make it an office also by any means. And the 2nd bedroom.
It's actually set up like an office, but it is a bedroom.
It is a bedroom, as you heard, but it is set up like an office. Nice closet, window, a lot of light. And there is a bathroom. The secondary bathroom, full bathroom, they all come with quartz top. Luxury vinyl flooring is standard throughout except in the bedrooms. So there is no area in the front, which is living room, your dining room and kitchen. Everything is the same material and nothing is carpeted. You can see the kitchen, nice big counter, wonderful. I hope you can, meaning there is a staging done here, so you can't see, but it is huge in my cooking experience. It's taking actually 8 seating dining table. It's really a wide room and long itself. So this is an open floor planning. Your entire family can be together. Someone is cooking, someone is doing a homework, and someone can be watching TV, right? They all can be in one room, which is a very essential part for family bringing up small children, right? It's beautiful. Okay, there is a study. This is a utility room, right? It's big, plenty big. So you can see, you do have a choice to put an extra gas, and they will discuss that with you. But right now it's with electric dryer, and this is for washer. And you know, if you want, you can easily have a counter here for you to fold the clothes, etc. This is a study. Oh, wow. Oh, look at this. This is amazing. So 2 bedrooms in the front, and this is a nice study, or for people like us, card table. Don't miss the fun.
Game room.
Correct. You know, we have to have fun. This is the only place at home where we can indulge in that, right? And guess, master bedroom. Oh wow, 2 closets. Oh my God. I love the style which you brought it back, which has 2 closets, one inside and one outside, because everybody has a preference. Some people like it inside the bathroom. Some people like it outside. As I'm a realtor, I know people tell me, oh, I wish it was outside. Oh, I wish it was inside. So they took care of it. And they have a tub, you know, shower combo. This is the private area. And there is a linen closet door. So basically, look at the master bedroom windows. It's huge. There are 4 windows. There's so much light when you need it. When you don't, just have those privacy curtains. Rooms are really big. I don't know if you're getting it. See, I'm trying to give you a 360-degree view so you know. And there is enough room between a dresser and a bed that it's not a small room. This is beautiful. So this is a nightly plan. It comes by 10 by 12 covered patio. They do have 10 plans, which consist of a 1-story and 2-story. So you will find a home for you without a shred of doubt. Guys, if you need any more help, hit me. I'm Sonal Shah at Ram Real Estate, and my phone number is 713-398-6566. Thank you so much.
Remember, to get more information or to schedule a tour, call Sonal Shah now. Some builders are offering fixed interest rates as low as 4.5 to 5.5%. Don't wait.